Hey guys, it's Michael, and I'm here with the Credit Agents, and on today's episode of the Credit Agent Show, we're going to be talking about credit repair, but specifically, how is it legal? The short answer is yes, it is legal if you do it ethically and by the book. You and I both legally have the right to dispute any inaccuracies or data that isn't accurate to ourselves on our credit report. The bureaus and data furnishers have up to 30 days to investigate and reply, and generally it takes 35 to 40 days for them to get back to you on the status of said dispute. Now, this may seem like a very lengthy process and time consuming. That's why a lot of people choose to hire a third party like us, the credit agents, to step in and take contact with the bureaus themselves. We will dispute on your behalf. And if you want to, you can visit our website at www.creditagents.com and sign up for a free 15-minute consultation where we're going to run through your credit report. And as always, thank you for tuning in.